Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into a serious memory upgrade, the NEMIX RAM 1.5TB DDR5 kit. This isn't your average RAM. We're talking about a massive 16 sticks, each 96 gigabytes, running at a speedy 5,600 MHz. This kit is designed for serious workloads. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM, catering to servers, workstations, and even NAS systems. This particular kit, the PC5-44800, is built with ECC RDIMM registered server memory, ensuring data integrity and stability, crucial for demanding applications. It operates at a cool 1.1V with a CL46 latency. The sheer capacity of this kit is impressive. 1.5 terabytes of DDR5 memory opens doors to handling enormous datasets, running multiple virtual machines, and tackling memory-intensive tasks like AI development, data mining, and complex simulations. If you're constantly hitting memory limits, this could be a game changer. Installation, as with most RAM upgrades, should be relatively straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of installation, suggesting it can be done in minutes. However, with 16 sticks, it's crucial to consult your motherboard's manual to ensure proper placement and compatibility. This kit is designed for DDR5 major OEM motherboards. NEMIX RAM also backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory. They also offer IT support, which can be invaluable if you run into any issues during installation or operation. While the high capacity and speed are undoubtedly attractive, it's important to consider the cost and whether your specific applications truly require this level of memory. For smaller tasks, this might be overkill. However, for professionals and organizations dealing with massive datasets and demanding workloads, the NEMIX RAM 1.5 terabytes DDR5 kit presents a compelling solution. It promises enhanced performance, data integrity, and the peace of mind that comes with a lifetime warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.